Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have this wig from Unice. Hey Unice, thank you for sponsoring this video. They did send me over this wig. This is a HD glueless wig, a body wave texture, as you can see. They did send me, this is a brush, eyelashes, wig cap, and an elastic band to melt. And this is the wig that I am featuring in this video today. So this is 3 combs, adjustable straps with an elastic band, because you do not need to use glue to adhere this wig, okay? And we're not using glue because, you know, I really don't care for glue like that anymore. I am gonna I am gonna go in and plug this. As far as the knots, I'm not really gonna bleach this. You could do that if you like. I myself will tell you to use color Oops to remove the knots, because bleach will leave it a little bit probably like orangey or pinkish because of the color. So you definitely want to be careful with that. But there are knots there, but we're just going to go in and customize this wig. So before anything, I am going to proceed to wash this unit. I am not going to show that on camera, but I am going to use Garnier Fructis to wash it and to condition it. I am going to use silicone mix because this wig has been processed. It is colored. It's like a rust color. It's like a reddish brown with a little bit of orange in it. Like, it's, I don't know what to call it, but it's a nice color, and we'll see how she looks on me with my skin tone. So yeah, let me go ahead and wash this, and we will proceed to customizing this unit. All right, so I already washed the wig with Garnier, and then I went and deep conditioned it with silicone mix because this is a color treated wig. But honestly, I use silicone mix for all of my wigs, okay? It's going to make your wigs last longer. I'm going to go in and tweeze my hairline with my Revlon tweezers. These are the best tweezers ever to use to pluck your hair, okay? I don't stay in the same section. I move across the hairline. Once I get it to the density that I like, I am going to part the area and remove that area, push it to the front, pluck some more, and I'll do that until I get to the density that I truly like, okay? So just keep doing this until it looks how you like it to look. This is a closure, so you really don't have to pluck too much because you want it to last long. But yeah. So after I did all the plucking, I'm going to go in with this wax stick I got from my local beauty supply, and then I am going to press the hairline down and just make a part so I can get ready to add my baby hairs to this unit. Once it's nice and smooth, I'm going to go ahead and pull out some baby hairs, and then I'm going to use my pressing comb to lay the hairs, to mold the hairs to go the direction that I want them to go. So now that the baby hairs are down, they're still too long. I'm going to curl them down under. And so that's what I'm doing. I'd like to curl them first before I cut them. It just makes it easier for me since I have longer nails on right now. So I do this only on new wigs. And then go ahead with my razor and then shave them down. On the beat. So once the baby hairs are cut, I'm going to take spritz and an edge brush, and I am just going to lay those hairs, mold them down. I'm going to use my pressing comb to freeze it in place. If you're not comfortable using a pressing comb to do this, then I suggest you use the blow dryer, because if your pressing comb is too hot, you can burn a hole in your lace, and that's not what you want to do. So you definitely have to be comfortable with a pressing comb and know what you're doing in order to like just freeze it in place like how I'm doing it. It's a faster method, but again, you got to know what you're doing. And after all the baby hairs are done, I'm going to just go in and just silk out this wig, flat iron it out, just make it look nice and shiny and healthy. I use my Beyond the Zone heat protectant spray, and I just flat ironed the entire wig. On the beat. On the beat. So after the flat ironing is done, this is what the wig looks like. She has a lot of luster, and that's because of the silicone mix, okay? The silicone mix is going to give your hair that shine, I promise you. So you guys know I use my Ruby Kisses in the shade 16 for my lace. I'm just applying that all over the lace underneath. And then I'm going to go ahead and put on this wig and adjust it on my head. Once the wig is adjusted, I am going to go ahead and cut off the seams and the extra lace that is on this unit, so I could go ahead and install it with my lace adhesive spray, which is really not an adhesive spray, it's just a glueless method spray. I also use spritz to lay down my baby hairs. But yeah, that's the newer way that I've been doing my baby hairs. I kind of like it, especially when it comes to frontals, because the frontals aren't like plastered on my face. It has some fluffiness to it when it comes to the baby hairs. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to send me a comment down below. I'll have everything that I used in this video in the description for you guys. And until next time, bye best friends.